Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto School. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing pre-sale product. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So guys, here you can see we are on the website of PuppyDex, and here you can see the details are given here. PuppyDex, the fun and community driven meme coin. Join the pack, our token inspired by the spirit of community with zero fees and endless fun. You can check out it's powered by AI, token built by AI and ambition. You can check out the logo, it's really fantastic. There are no taxes at all, fixed supply of 100 billion tokens, no burn or redistributed fees. Click the presale link to go to the PINKSALE presale. The presale is going on PINKSALE, so let's check out the PINKSALE link, and here you can see it is starting in almost 4 days and 13 hours. So set your alarms right now so that you don't miss the presale. So guys, here you can see it's deployed onto the Binance Smart Chain. The minimum buy limit is 0.1 BNB and maximum buy limit is 3 BNB. You can check out their social media handles are given here. If we scroll, you can check out more details such as the unsold tokens will be burned, listing will be done on PancakeSwap, liquidity percentage is 70% and liquidity lockup time is 365 days. The soft cap is 25 BNB and hard cap is 100 BNB. So guys, make sure you participate into this amazing pre-sale. Now coming back to the website, you can check out no code, no funds, no team, a coin made by AI for public. PuppyDex isn't backed by a big company or anonymous devs. It's powered by something more honest, ambition and AI. With no prior blockchain experience, the platform product was built step by step using GPT's guidance, smart contract creation, tokenomic design, website and branding, community safe standards, as well as continuous improvements will be done. Down here you can check out the journey shared here. It's a community driven token. PuppyDex is a community driven meme inspired cryptocurrency designed to engage crypto enthusiasts and dog lovers alike. With zero transaction fees and a fixed supply, PuppyDex offers seamless trading and a strong emphasis on community involvement, aiming to build a lasting decentralized ecosystem. You can check out the mission and vision are shared on the website. So let's check out their mission statement. PuppyDex aims to unite puppy lovers and crypto enthusiasts in a fun, community-driven ecosystem. Their mission is to create an entertaining and engaging meme coin that fosters a global network of supporters, providing joy and potential financial rewards with transactional barriers or centralization. You can check out their vision as well, to establish PuppyDex as a lending meme coin that not only offers entertainment but also explores meaningful partnerships and utilities, therefore adding lasting value to the cryptocurrency space. You can check out the video right here. You can check out the contract address has been shown here. Also the PuppyDex media has been available on the website. So make sure you participate into this amazing pre-sale and do some own research as well. Also make sure to join their X handle, Telegram handle, Discord handle, Instagram handle as well as Reddit community, so that you came to know more about this awesome product. If you like the video, make sure to do some own research as well, and make sure to subscribe my channel as well as like this video. I will meet you soon, so till then take care and have a nice day.